All right, this is the English assignment sheet for the career preparation essay, which is worth 100 points. So I want to go over this. Here's the quick description and what I want you to do with the essay. So Pike suggests that there is a relationship between a student's personality, their intended major, and their expectations about college. Utilizing Holland's theory, Pike references 6 personality types: realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, and conventional. For example, realistic individuals value material rewards. Investigative individuals prefer activities that include exploration and prediction. Artistic individuals embrace artistic, literary, and musical activities. Social types prefer teaching and interpersonal interaction. Enterprising people often persuade and direct others. Lastly, conventional types attain organizational and personal goals. And as you read and listen to the lecture, you'll see that the conventional types tend to prefer routine. Pike further discusses 2 more components of Holland's theory, which is the 6 model environments and then congruency. He propositions that students actively seek out and select academic majors that are compatible with their personality types and are more likely to flourish in environments that are congruent with their personality types. Congruency with one's career is essential for accomplishing personal and professional goals. With all these ideas in mind, you will create a career preparation essay, which requires quote integration from all required sources. You must reference the Pike Journal article, the information regarding your intended job title from Bureau of Labor Statistics, and use of reading materials. You must quote from all sources. The number of quotes is at your discretion. Pike has a higher point value. Keep in mind that your intended job title is considered your thesis statement. It suggests that you believe your personality and work ethic are suitable or congruent for the intended field, and it is incumbent upon you to prove that in the essay. So, most importantly, pay attention to the point value for Pike. So, anytime there's a higher point value, I want you to do a lot more with that. So, if you think about Pike and what he is suggesting utilizing Holland's theory, and Holland's theory is Holland's theory of vocational choice. He's talking about the 6 personality types. He's talking about the 6 model environments and congruency. That's what I want you to cover within your paper. So the purpose, learning objective, write the career essay, synthesize ideas into a cohesive discussion, persuade, and then quote, use MLA appropriately. Because if you say that you are suitable for a particular field, then there should be some support of you involving yourself in that field now in some kind of way, even if it's just preparation. Say, for instance, you want to get into computer engineering. Are you pulling together a portfolio? If you want to get into nursing, are you volunteering at a hospital? Any sort of involvement, and involvement can be anything that you are doing even by yourself, right? That's a record of something that suggests to you or supports your argument that you believe you are a good fit for a particular field. So this career preparation essay requires full integration and formatting for MLA. The paper is worth 100 points. So you're going to create the thesis statement, your introduction and thesis statement. Remember that your thesis is your job title, worth 5 points, and then you are summarizing and quoting information from Bureau of Labor Statistics regarding intended job title. So that's where you're getting your information. That is the government source for labor information for the workforce. All companies, all institutions take their information from Bureau of Labor Statistics. So that's 30 points. And then you are integrating the Pike Journal article. So that's full integration, development of content at 40 points. You are also integrating helping students find their place in the world by Danielle Allen. You will see that on eCampus. That's 10 points. You are integrating self-control and grit, related but separable determinants of success. So if you took me for English 1301, you know that we took a very long time utilizing this source, and it was considered a base source uh, for that particular course. For this course, it's a minor source, and it's only worth 5 points. And then you're going to create a plan for how you will become suitable for your intended career beyond academics. So that's very important because a lot of times people focus on the numbers. They focus on the fact that they have a higher GPA, they have really great grades, but just because you can be very skilled in academics doesn't mean that you are suitable for the field always in terms of personality. And you have to have a passion for the work that you want to do. That's what I mean there. So, what are some of your current gaps based upon BLS and how will you close them? That's 5 points. And then, of course, your conclusion. So, the total is 100 points. So, you see the due date here. This full essay should be a minimum of 750 words, a minimum of 3 total pages, should not exceed 5. It is due Sunday. Late papers will be accepted at 40 points. You must submit the late assignment by the next class day. No late papers will be accepted beyond this date. Any submission after this date will receive a 0. Format the document for MLA. You should have access by link to Purdue OWL. Do not bridge your works cited page with the essay. It should be a separate page. So if you have 3 total pages, Smith 1, Smith 2, Smith 3, then the works cited would be Smith 4. Make sure not to plagiarize this. This is not a collaborative assignment. Sure, you can bounce ideas, but this is a tailored assignment to your career objective. So be sure not to collude. This is the works cited entry for the base source, and it's how to format an entry, an article in a scholarly journal. You should be able to click this source to access Purdue OWL. So this is the English assignment sheet for the career preparation essay.